Alright, good afternoon, sir. So right here, this is basically the experience center I wanted to invite you for. So we have basically three sections. We have this open section where we have our Samsung Flip charts. So we have the Samsung Flip 2, we have the Samsung Flip 1 in the middle. We also have over there a Maxhub all-in-one solution. And I'm going to show you the boardroom where we basically have an LED and a Logitech roundabout connected. So this is the Samsung Flip chart. This is actually a collaborative device. It does not have an inbuilt operating system. The operating system is actually a Titan, but this is just for collaboration. So this replaces your paper flip charts in your boardroom. It replaces your projectors in your training room and all that. So you can see right now that I can actually write on this. I can write Nigerian Breweries Limited. And I can actually clean this with my hand. So this is a very intuitive solution in digital flip chart that gives you a lot of flexibility. And this is the presentation mode. I can actually flip this to the portrait mode. So this is actually the flip chart mode as well. And I can flip that. So this is just basically for presentation. You can import your phones wirelessly, your laptop wirelessly to the screen. You have all those features to do that. So let me just show you right here. You see the mobile, the PC, the USB, and you can also export this as well via the email, print, USB, and so on and so forth. So this is the Samsung Digital Flip 2. We have it in different sizes. We have the 55, we have the 65 and 75 inches. And you can also use this. So let me show you right here. So this is the Flip 1. So what we have here, we have the Flip 1 that is actually connected to a Logitech meet up. So if you have a small meeting room space, a huddle room space, you can actually, this would be the perfect and ideal solution to actually have there. So we have the meet up, which is all in one bar with the Samsung Flip chart connected to it, and you can have meeting. Now right here we have our Maxhub all-in-one solution. I spoke to Mr. Falabi about this particular solution. So this basically combines all the devices in the meeting room in a single device or component. So you have the screen, which is interactive. You have the cameras, which is right here. You have also the microphones, 6 microphones with voice ranges of about 8 meters. And one of the things is that this actually, your video conferencing application, whether you're using Zoom, your Teams, all these can be integrated and work really perfectly. You also have a whiteboard interface. So it gives you all that feature. This uses an operating system, Windows 10, and it's also Android enabled. So let's take you into the boardroom so see that. That was really noisy. So right here we have our LED screen. So the LED, this is the HIK LED screen. You can actually use this, or maybe you want to use Videowall as well. And what we have is we're integrating this, or we're making use of this with the Logitech roundabout. So this is the Logitech roundabout we spoke to you about. And we also have our ceiling microphones. So this is the Logitech roundabout. I'm sure you already know all the features of the Logitech roundabout. So let me just show you the microphone. So we have the ceiling speaker. This is from Sennheiser. So we have this ceiling speaker. So if you want to integrate it in your boardrooms as well, you can have all these in your boardroom without actually having physical speakers or microphones as well. Let's go through the table. So on the table we have a protocol device. So this is actually for audio purpose. So if you want to have your audio conferencing, most especially if you're using Teams. So this is Teams enabled, right? If you have a Teams and you want to make use of, you want to have an audio conference set up in your meeting rooms or one of your huddle rooms, this would actually be a perfect device. We also have a question tab. We have a question template right here. So this is the question template, right? So this basically is a room booking system. So you can use, this would majorly be put in front of the meeting room to basically book meetings and show where there's an ongoing meeting on. You can also use it basically to control your meetings within your office, within the boardroom, just like we have right here. So this is our question device. So let me show you something else. Okay, so we have this Logitech. We have this Logitech group, so this is for medium meeting room size. So what we have there, the connection is simple. We have this Logitech connected to this screen. This is actually a gaming monitor. This is a 49 inches gaming monitor, and we have the Intel NUC. So this replaces your computer, so you don't need a computer. This is connected to the Logitech group, and you can have your meetings on the go. And right here we have our Logitech MK270. The MK270, as you know, is it's a combo keyboard. You have the combo mouse, and it's also wireless as well. So let me take you to the third section where we have our Videowall. We have our Videowall solution and also a ProTouch interactive solution. Let's go there. All right, before then, so we have this. This is a Conquer digital signage solution. So this is very useful in your reception, right? In your offices and all that, and also some of your factories. So you can have all of Nigerian breweries content basically play on this. This is Windows based 10, is Windows 10 and also Android as well. So this is a digital signage floor stand. We have this available in the office. Right here, we have our Videowall. So this is a 2x2 Videowall, 46 inches, and this is actually connected to the Logitech RAN camera. So we are also having a video. We're having video conferencing. We have the Intel NEC at the back that allows us to actually make use of Zoom to have our meeting. So this is what we have in the Tech Experience Center. We also have this as well. This is an interactive solution. It's a ProTouch. It's an interactive solution also to provide you with all the interactive features. It's Windows based and it's also Android enabled. So this is what I wanted to show you. So I got your quote and I'll definitely get back to you. Thanks.